How to open a MEXC account. Hi everyone! If you're looking for a diverse crypto exchange with great opportunities, MEXC is an excellent choice. In this video, I'll guide you on how to open a MEXC account. To open an account and get attractive offers from MEXC, visit coinaz.net/MEXC. Or you can click on the link in the description of this video to open a MEXC account. Let's get started. This is the interface after accessing MEXC. You can open a MEXC account using your email or phone number. I'll use email. Enter your email address here. For your password, note that it needs to be at least 10 characters long, include at least one uppercase letter, and one number. I will give you an example on the screen for your reference. Then, click Sign Up. MEXC has sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email. This is the email MEXC sent me. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click More. And check your spam folder. Now, I'll open the MEXC email. This is the verification code. Please copy it. Enter or paste the copied code here. You've successfully created an account. But to deposit and withdraw funds, you need to verify your account. Click on this icon. Then, click Profile. Click Identification. There are two verification types, primary and advanced. I'll guide you through the advanced verification process to optimize security and increase transaction limits. You can verify via web or verify via app. I'll choose Verify via web. For advanced verification, you need to verify your identity and face. Click Start Verification. Please select your issuing country, region, and type of identification document. For type of identification document, you can choose ID card, passport, driving license, or residence permit. I'll choose ID card. Here are some requirements for taking a photo of your ID. Please read them carefully. You can take a photo directly or upload an existing photo of your ID. I'll upload a photo from my computer. Click here to upload a photo of the front side of your document. Similarly, click here to upload a photo of the back of your document. Then click Continue. Now, select your current country of residence. Click Continue. Click Continue to allow camera access. Click Allow. This is the facial verification step. Please follow the on-screen facial gestures. Your verification request is under review. Next, I'll show you how to secure your account. Click on this icon. Click Security Center. To enhance account security, you can use mobile verification or Google Authenticator. I'll choose to verify with Google Authenticator. Click Next. First, you need to download Google Authenticator to your phone. Now I'll perform the steps on my phone. In the search bar, type Google Authenticator. This is the app you need to download. Click on this icon. Click Open. Click Get Started. Choose the Google account you want to link. Then click Continue. Click Add a code. You can scan a QR code or enter a setup key. I'll choose Scan a QR code. Click Allow to let Authenticator use your camera and start scanning the code. This is the Google Authenticator code. Now, go back to the MEXC website on your computer. Click Next. Click Get Code to receive the email verification code. A verification code has been sent to your email. Please go to your email to get the code and enter it here. Finally, enter the Authenticator code. Then, click Submit. My Google Authenticator security verification process was successful. So, I have finished guiding you on how to open a MEXC account. Goodbye and see you all in the next videos.